Hi guys, I'm going to solve this factoring problem from the A-Days, their first independent practice. I'm going to use the AC or the magic method. The first thing I'm going to see is if 3, 4, and 32 have anything in common. And no, none of them are, there's nothing divisible by. Well, 3 is divisible by 3, but 4 isn't. And there's nothing in common. So I'm going to take A and multiply it with C. So that's 3 times negative 32. So negative 96. So that is the multiply. Add the factors of negative 96. When you add them together, it gives you plus 4. Remember, I told you that you could put this into the graphing calculator like this and then find the factors. Now, the factors, one's going to be positive and the other's going to be negative. And the larger factor is going to be, since we see the plus here, the larger factor is going to be positive. Okay, so we can go through and the factors that we have, it is a plus 12 and a negative 8. Plus 12 times negative 8 plus 12 and negative 8 equal negative 96 when you multiply the two. When you add them together, you get plus 4. So I'm going to go ahead and put plus 4x equals plus 12x minus 8x. And I'm going to rewrite this trinomial so the middle term gets replaced by these two terms. So I end up with a 3x squared plus 12x minus 8x minus 32 equals 0. Now I'm going to group the two. Okay, and then that's G. And then I'm going to see what they have in common. We have a 3x squared plus 12x. Take out a 3x. When they have something in common, what you're actually doing is when you're taking it out, you're dividing both of the terms by 3x. So you get an x plus 4. Over here we have a negative 8 and a negative 32. Okay, what they have in common is a negative 8. And you want to take a negative out because we're going to try to make this binomial, whatever is left over, look like x plus 4. If you take out a positive 8 like that and we divide this by positive 8, divide that by positive 8, you end up with a negative x minus 4. And that's not what you want. You want an x plus 4. So you want to take out, sorry. You want to take out a negative. Let's go back on all of this. You want to take out a negative 8. Let's go ahead and take out a negative 8. That means we divide this by negative 8. That by negative 8. Negative and negative is a positive. Negative and negative is a positive. 32 divided by 8 is a 4. Okay, now we have x plus 4 and x plus 4 in common. I'm going to take out an x plus 4. When I do that, I'm going to divide this first term by x plus 4. I'm going to divide this second term by x plus 4. That simplifies, and our other factor is 3x minus 8 equals 0. Here are the two factors that make up that first original trinomial. And we're done. Good job, guys.